Hello everyone, welcome to the ICT course, Information and Communication Technology. We are going to learn from the ICT Cambridge book. This is the cover of the book we'll be learning from. Chapter 15, Proofing Verification. So we'll be talking about verification, page 141, so let's start. Verification means checking that the data being entered into the computer perfectly matches the source of the data. So we should make sure that the data that we've entered into the computer 100% matches the source from which we copied the data from. For example, we have a paper with a paragraph. This paragraph should be copied exactly the same on the computer. So we should make sure that the paragraph perfectly matches what we've entered on the PC. Here are some methods of verification. First of all, we have visual comparison of the data entered with the source of the data. For example, for any paper containing any information copied to the PC, we should visually check if we missed any word or letter after copying the information. Also, we have invoices or order forms, for example. So if people filled out some information on a paper, we should make sure to copy the data filled exactly the same on the computer. Second of all, we have double entry of data, which involves using the same data source to enter the details into the computer twice. So sometimes the data is entered 2 times. And why is that? To make sure that the data entered is 100% correct and matches the data they have. For example, creating an account over the internet. They may ask you to create a password and enter it twice, for them to make sure that the password entered is 100% correct and matches the original one. So, this was about verification.